All right, y'all. Andy McCabe here with Claims Delegates. Just had a client ask me to work up a custom price list for him, so I did. But the results might surprise you. I worked in what my client requested for overhead considerations and profit considerations at the end of the year, and I put it into Xactimate, and the results, I believe, will be eye-opening. Let's go look at it. All right, let's take a look at this. Here's what I put together for my client in Tennessee. Our original estimate we did for him prior to implementing this custom price list that we did. You can see right here, $15,117 after overhead and profit. Pre-overhead and profit, $12,227. You can see what it was. Looks like a couple rooms with your regular old stuff. We got some baseboards, some paint openings. There's a bathroom, the most expensive room in here that looks like the bath. We got some tile. So what you can see in here, there's the January price list for Nashville, Tennessee. So let's go over and look at this one. This is the Claims Delegates price list for Nashville, Tennessee, February 2020. You can see $21,967. If we take the pre-overhead number on both of these estimates, you can see them right there, that should work out to a 46% increase in this estimate just by adjusting the pricing to match market conditions. Tell me if you wouldn't like 46% more on every estimate you write. I would. That's why I do what I do. If you want what this guy got, you know the guy. Give me a holler, let's talk about it.